There's a bass right here. There he is, there he is. Got hit. He's got it. Okay. Okay, okay, okay. No way. I'm walking over here, and that's where it's an 11-pounder right there. Whoa. All right. Wow. That's a big bass. Whew. What is he doing here? I don't think I'm gonna catch him, but that's interesting to see. Change up the color of the crawl. Let's go with the darker shade. She's bedding right there. That's a big fish. That's easily my PB if I can catch it. Who knew these guys would be bedding so early? This is a little bold, but we're gonna tie on a whopper plopper. Maybe this will really anger this fish. Wow, so after a week of being in the mountains chasing some slimy trout, I'd say it's pretty good to be back with some largemouth. Right now, they're basically bedding, and lucky for me, I didn't bring any baits for that. So we're just gonna work with what we got, but joined here with Bryson today. We're gonna be fishing a couple of ponds. On my way up, I already saw an easy 10. It was massive, but today's gonna be interesting, not gonna lie. I might throw a little bit of topwater just to see what happens. Hopefully some of those looser fish are not really sitting on something right now, so we can maybe get them to commit to it. But yeah, let's get started and see you on the GoPro. All right, so all this muck. Yep, but it's great cover for fish. I'm already caught on something. There's some, oh, it's a pile of weeds there. Wow, that's thick. Okay, yeah, it's not happening at this spot. I'm gonna tie on a weightless Texas rigged fluke. We're gonna go sight fish some bedding fish, make him angry, make him bite. Little fish, but we're gonna see the big one. There's a decent sized one there. Wait, I think I see I see it. That's a big one. Ah. No, 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 no. Drop it, drop it, drop it. Little guy's got it. Little guy's got it. I don't want it. Oh, fine, fine, fine. I'll catch you. I'll catch you. But the big one still wants it. No. Okay, okay. We're good, we're good. Little guy dropped it. All right, I'm gonna catch one fish now. Getting a little bored waiting for that big one to eat. I'm just gonna have to keep switching it up on her. But for now, let's just get ourselves on a fish. Switch to a baby packer crawl. This thing falls ultra slow, so hoping this will entice these fish the most. He's nipping at it. All right, ready? Oh, little guy, little guy. It's a 1-pounder, 1-pounder. Okay, okay, okay. Okay, don't want to catch you. I want to catch the bigger one. Get back in the drink. See you, girl. Can't get the big one to bite. Has to be a fish right here. Just has to be. Oh, there we go. Yeah, they really like it. Bite is tough right now. I'm gonna go get Bryson. We're gonna hit up another spot. There's a bass right here. There he is, there he is. Hey, I got him. All right. Yes, all right. Come here, come here. Come on, buddy. Little bedding bass. I finally got him. First drop. Yeah, it's a decent. I'm guessing 3, but yeah, he.
Get it?
Yeah, sure. Yep. Let's go. Oh, thanks for the land. Sick. Yeah, that's a thick one, guys. That is a solid bedding fish. Choked that fluke. Let's go. All right, let's get her unhooked and pop her back in. Okay, quick release. Don't want to keep you out too long, but thanks for biting, girl. Oh, dunk her back in. Let's go. White fluke for the win. Big camera says change battery pack. Dang. All right, I don't have any batteries, so looks like we're gonna have to switch to the iPhone. Let's go. That was so sick. Gets her heart pumping. He was the most aggressive fish of the day. Let's go find another bed. Guys, right here at the drain pipe, there's some massive bass. And I mean massive. Yo, what? Why are they here? Out of all places. Why are there giant bass here? Oh, got hit. He's got it. Oh, Okay. Okay, okay, okay. Hey, Bryson. I got one. Yeah. Y'all. What a day. I've never caught this many good fish in a single day. Check out how she ate that. Dang. All right, let's get her unhooked and toss her back. Okay, see ya, girl. Ah. There's one. Yeah. Okay. Ah, no, it's not. No. It's a little bass.
Get it still?
I got it. We'll do a quick release. Ugh. Thanks for biting. Yeah. Really do. I'm just gonna pick up a bunch of these when I get home. See ya. Throw this. Here you go. Just cast it out there and work it really slow and you'll feel them. Oh, dang. Oh, dang. Nice fish, man. Little guy just pulled one out. Oh, yeah. How is it?
Oh, man, that sucks.
That was a good fish, man. How do I look? Is the quality okay? All right, cool. I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this up real quick. I thoroughly enjoyed today. I mean, like, who wouldn't enjoy catching all this fish? But it is really quite interesting how early these fish are spawning, which is so weird because the lakes that I fish, they spawn like maybe a month from now, but these ponds are just already going at it. Biggest fish of the day is probably pushing 4, easily over 3 pounds. I'm really glad I got to get out here and do some bass fishing today. Thank you so much for watching. And as always, folks, fish for the adventure.